Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the Enchanted Woods release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Fairy Trio die set. A trio of tiny fairies makes up this cute little die set. These fairies all feature a cutout wing detail, and these fairies measure approximately 2 inches in height. And take a look at how cute those are, and you can see that detail in their wings. They are lovely, and imagine the projects you could put these on. So let me share a card that I made using this die set. I feel like there's some really fun potential with these little dies. So let's take a look at what the rest of the design team made for you for some inspiration. And be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.